Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to turn your screen sideways on Roblox Mobile. Alright, let's begin. If you're playing a game like Please Donate and your screen stays vertical instead of switching to horizontal, there's a simple fix. Start by swiping down from the top of your screen to open your Quick Settings panel. Look for the Auto Rotate or Portrait Lock icon. If it's enabled or locked in portrait mode, the screen won't rotate even if you turn your device sideways. Tap on the icon to disable screen rotation lock. Once it's off, rotate your phone to the side. Your Roblox game should now automatically switch to horizontal or landscape mode. If the screen still doesn't rotate, double-check that the game you're playing supports horizontal layout. Most popular Roblox games like Please Donate or Brookhaven do support it. Also, make sure your phone's display settings allow auto rotation. You can confirm this by going to your phone's main settings app, navigating to Display, and checking the auto rotate setting. So that's basically how you can turn your screen sideways on Roblox Mobile. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.